Hey there, Joe from Family First Electrical, and today we're here to give you some fun facts on smoke detectors, which are essential for every homeowner. Fun fact. Did you know that it takes 3 to 5 minutes to get out of your house with a working smoke alarm? Now, how long do you think you have if you don't have a working one, or you don't have one at all? Fun fact. Did you know that you have to replace your smoke alarm every 10 years? More importantly, you should test your smoke alarms yearly and have the batteries changed. When was the last time you had your smoke alarm tested? If you don't know or have a licensed electrician, we'd be more than happy to assist you. Our family business is your family's safety.